Be ready. Start. A king was returning to his state after winning many states, comma, with the treasure looted, full stop. His army was carrying treasure looted from state, comma, which was being carried on donkeys, comma, some on horses, comma, some of those were carried by the soldiers on their backs. Full stop. One of the soldiers carrying such a big bag on his back, comma, had many thoughts rising in his mind. Full stop. He wondered why he was carrying all this heavy load. Full stop. The bag is so heavy, comma, I do not know what inside this big bag. Full stop. I am very hungry and thirsty too. Full stop. It is difficult to walk in cold climate. Full stop. I feel if I keep going like this, comma, hungry and thirsty, comma, I will die soon. Full stop. When King saw this tired soldier and asked him, comma, do you know what inside this bag? Question mark. The soldier said, comma, sir, comma, I do not know what I am carrying. Full stop. King asked him to open the big bag on his back and see. Full stop. The soldier saw bag was full of gold and valuable jewels from the looted treasure. Full stop. The king said, comma, this is all yours, comma, take it. Full stop. Para. A few moments ago, he was cursing himself for carrying such a heavy big bag, comma, but when he found big bag contain gold and valuable ornaments that is now belong to him, comma, his attitude changed suddenly. Full stop. Happy spread to his every part of the body, and all of a sudden, comma, he gained strength and agility. Full stop. Now that soldier was in so hurry to reach, all his fatigue was gone. Full stop. He was running fast that we cannot even imagine. Full stop. It is how our positive attitude can fill us with energy towards life, comma, if this same attitude is negative, then how dull it makes our life. Full stop. Our attitude not only affects our worldly life but also affects our spiritual life. Full stop. In education too, comma, we have seen much difference in children towards studies, comma, children who are interested in studies and one who do not have any interest while in studying. Full stop. A right attitude helps us to see the world from the right angle. Full stop. If we smile and express our happiness towards any work, comma, gradually this happiness also turn into our natural happiness. Full stop. Our interest and happiness will spread like wind. Full stop. Everyone will impress by our positive thinking. Full stop. Life is an expression of our attitude. Full stop. The balanced state of mind is the expression of their right attitude in all the activities we are they does under different situation. Full stop. In the sense, comma, it is the reflection of their character. Full stop. Stop.